To check an International Securities Identification Number or ISIN in interactive brokers, start by logging into your account on the platform. Once you are in, navigate to the trading section where you conduct your transactions. You can use the search function typically found at the top or side of the screen to locate specific securities. Type in the name of the security or the ticker symbol you want to check. If you know the ISIN, you can also enter it directly in the search bar. This will help you quickly find the relevant stock or bond. After entering the information, press Enter or click on the search icon to see the results. Once you have located the security, click on it to open its detailed view. Here, you will find a wealth of information, including the ISIN. It is usually listed in the Securities Profile or Details section. Take note of this number as it will help you with any further identification or trading needs. If you have any issues locating the ISIN, consider using the platform's Help section or customer support. They can provide additional guidance and ensure you can find the information you need efficiently. Understanding how to navigate the platform will make your trading experience more effective.